Good day, everyone. Learn how to add fingerprint security to open up your phone in Samsung phone. So to set the fingerprints, we need to click on this settings icon and then look for security and privacy. So in settings, you will find security and privacy, and there you have many options, and you have this account security lock screen. So the very first thing which says screen lock is set, click on that and enter. If you have any security, just do that, and then you will find biometrics where the face recognition is there and fingerprints is there. So we will click on add your fingerprints and it will say continue, and then click on register and press your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. So I'm doing it by my thumb and it's doing it right now. So it's getting higher, 66%, 71%, 76, 83, 91, let's see, it's 100. So it is added and we just need to click on done. And next time when I'll click on this is how you can set the fingerprints in security to open your phone. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.